Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking about how to begin playing the world's oldest role-playing game, Dungeons & Dragons. There's a good chance you might have heard about it on some popular media like the shows Community, Big Bang Theory, or others, so this is a quick instructional video on how to begin playing. The first thing you're going to need is a group of people who are interested in giving the game a try, and one person to run the game, referred to as the Dungeon Master, DM, or Game Master, GM. The Dungeon Master runs the adventure and gives the descriptions of the world, and then the players interact with the world based on the descriptions that are given. The fastest way to begin is to pick up the starter box, which is available for $20 at local gaming stores and book retailers. It contains within everything you'll need to start playing, including 6 pre-made characters, an adventure booklet for the DM with a few tips for running it, a booklet of rules to explain how the various game mechanics work, and a set of polyhedral dice that are required to run the game, which can be shared amongst everyone starting off. Read through the rules booklet to begin understanding the details of how to play. While it might seem a bit daunting, the basic mechanic is fairly straightforward. The player will describe an action that they wish to take, such as jumping over a gap, fast-talking their way past someone, or hiding in the shadows, and then the DM will set a target number that needs to be beaten. A 20-sided die, called a d20 in shorthand, is rolled, the modifiers listed on the character sheet are added, and if that equals or exceeds the number that was determined by the DM, the action is successful. If it is lower than the number that was decided, the action regrettably fails. Physical altercations are also a part of D&D, and they work off the same basic mechanic. You roll a d20 to attempt to beat the target's armor class, and then if you're successful, roll damage based off of the type of weapon you're hitting them with, which is then subtracted from their hit point total. This same mechanic will apply to you if you are ever struck during such an altercation. After this, let the player select one of the pre-made characters from the pile of options, while the DM reads through the adventure booklet to see what encounters lie ahead for the group. Once everyone is ready, all you need to do is follow the guidelines set forth in the booklet, and your adventure is ready to begin. If you end up liking this experience, then there's a more complete set of rules available online for free, or you can pick up a full set of the core rulebooks, which includes the Player's Handbook, Dungeon Master's Guide, and Monster Manual, and this allows you to create your own world for the players to explore. I hope this video has been informative and helped you get started on your first foray into Dungeons & Dragons.